Welcome to the Acca F4 Corporate and Business Law Syllabus Overview for 2024-2025. Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled to start this journey through the Acca F4 syllabus with you all this year. We're diving into the world of corporate and business law, exploring the rules and principles that govern how businesses operate. Whether you're aiming to start your own business, work in a corporation, or advise businesses as a lawyer, this course will provide you with the legal foundation you need. What you'll learn. Throughout this course, we'll cover 1. Understanding how laws work. 2. Dealing with contracts and responsibilities. 3. Learning about jobs and workers' rights. 4. Setting up and running businesses. 5. Raising money for companies. 6. Managing and governing companies. 7. Dealing with financial troubles if they happen. 8. Spotting and stopping illegal business behavior. By the end of the course, you'll be able to understand how laws are made and how they affect businesses. Know what makes a contract legally binding and what to do if things go wrong. Understand what rights employees have and what employers can and can't do. Learn about different types of businesses and how they're set up. Know how companies raise money and manage their finances. Understand the roles of directors and how companies are run. Learn about what happens if a company can't pay its debts. Spot illegal activities in businesses and understand the consequences. Let's dive into each part. A. How laws work. First, we'll learn the basics of what laws are and why they're important. We'll discuss the different types of law, such as criminal, civil, public, and private law, and how they impact businesses. How courts and judges make decisions. You'll learn about the court structure, from magistrates' courts to the Supreme Court and their functions. Your rights under human rights laws. We'll explore the basic principles of human rights and how they influence the legal system. B. Dealing with contracts. Next up, we'll cover how contracts are made and what makes them legal. Understand the nature of contracts, offer and acceptance, consideration, privity, and intention to create legal relations. What happens if someone doesn't follow a contract? Learn about the discharge of contracts, breach of contract, and the various remedies available. How to resolve disputes fairly. We'll discuss the law of torts, including negligence, vicarious liability, defenses to negligence, and professional negligence. C. Jobs and workers' rights. In this section, we'll discuss your rights as an employee and what employers must do. Learn the differences between employees and self-employed individuals and the duties of employers and employees. What happens if you're fired or your job changes? Understand the different types of dismissal, wrongful, unfair, and constructive, and redundancy procedures. D. Setting up businesses. Now let's look at different types of businesses and how they're formed. We'll cover agency law, partnerships, and corporations, including the concept of legal personality and limited liability. The rules businesses must follow to stay legal. Learn about promoters, pre-incorporation contracts, company registration, and statutory books. E. Raising money for companies. Next, we'll cover how companies get money to start or grow. Understand the different types of share capital, ordinary, preference, redeemable, and share issues, rights issues, and bonus issues. What shareholders and lenders expect in return. Learn about borrowing powers, debentures, charges, capital maintenance, reduction of capital, and dividend law. F. Running and governing companies. In this section, we'll explore the roles and responsibilities of company directors. We'll discuss the different roles and types of directors, their appointment and disqualification, and their powers and duties. How companies make decisions and stay on track. Learn about company secretaries, auditors, company meetings, AGMs and EGMs, and resolutions, ordinary and special. G. Dealing with financial troubles. Now, let's learn about what happens if a company can't pay its debts. Understand the processes of voluntary and compulsory liquidation, the order of payment, and the aims of administration. H. Stopping illegal business behavior. Lastly, we'll discuss how to recognize and prevent fraud and other illegal activities in businesses. Learn about insider dealing, market abuse, money laundering, bribery, and corporate criminal activities. The consequences of breaking the law in business. We'll explore the legal implications and penalties for corporate misconduct. Let's get started. I want to assure you that by following this course diligently, engaging with the material, and actively participating in discussions, you will be well prepared to excel in your exams. Here's why. Comprehensive coverage will cover all key areas outlined in the ACCA F4 syllabus in detail. Practical examples. We'll use real-life case studies and examples to illustrate legal principles and their application. Exam preparation. You'll practice answering exam-style questions, honing your skills in legal analysis and application. Support and guidance. I'm here to support you every step of the way, answering questions and providing additional resources as needed. I'm confident that by the end of this academic year, you'll not only have a solid understanding of corporate and business law, but also be well prepared to achieve excellent results in your exams. Embrace this opportunity to expand your knowledge and skills in business law, and let's make this a rewarding and successful journey together. Here's to a great year ahead.